Hey there, creative families! Quick heads up, if you want to unlock a special discount on the Toybox 3D Printer Deluxe bundle, go ahead and smash that link in the description below. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. So, picture this, your very own toy factory, right on your kitchen table. No, I'm not joking. One button and boom, you're printing Batman in your pajamas. Meet the Toybox Alpha One 3D Printer Deluxe bundle. This isn't just a gadget. It's an imagination machine designed for families like yours, especially if you've got a few future inventors bouncing around the house. Now here's the magic. Toybox keeps things super simple. I'm talking 4 steps to fun simple. Unbox it, plug it in, pick your favorite toy on the app, and with one tap, you're printing. And yes, you'll look like a tech genius, even if you still need help setting the clock on your microwave. The Deluxe bundle comes with 8 colors of printer food. Don't worry, it's not for snacking. It's the special non-toxic filament that makes the magic happen. So you can print a blue Bugs Bunny, a pink Batmobile, or a rainbow T-Rex. Hey, it's your Toybox! And get this, Toybox partnered with Warner Brothers so your kids can literally print toys from DC Comics, Looney Tunes, and even classics like the Polar Express. No more begging for new toys. You've got a whole library at your fingertips. But wait, the creativity doesn't stop there. Got a wild idea for a new toy? You can design and upload your very own creations. It's like handing your child the keys to their imagination. Plus, it's beginner-friendly, so if you're new to 3D printing, don't sweat it. You'll be up and running faster than you can say printer food. Of course, safety first. Always keep an eye on little hands during printing, but Toybox uses kid-friendly, non-toxic materials so you can relax a bit. Honestly, this is more than just a printer. It's a creativity booster, a boredom buster, and yes, a peace of mind provider for parents. Ready to bring home the coolest gadget on the block and save while you're at it. Click the link in the description below to get your Toybox 3D Printer Deluxe bundle at a special discounted price. Give your family the gift of creativity, laughter, and a little bit of 3D magic. Thanks for hanging out with me. Now go make some toys.